So I'm going to add the survey, and this is going to get us going on the survey building process. So here we go, survey settings. So these are the details that we need just before we start actually building the actual survey. So survey name can be I love send out a survey. So this is going to appear at the top of our survey. So this, the survey URL prefix, this is going to be our web address. So what is going to happen here, as it mentions here, this will be www.examplesurvey.sendoutasurvey.com. So you can really make this whatever you like. Now, survey response email. This is the email that will be seen by the clients and where all your results will be sent to. So again, I'm going to put in my original email here that I logged in with, and the completion URL. So this is where you want the clients to go after they've submitted the survey. So I would like them to go back to sendoutasurvey.com. So also a really great feature of this is that at an expo, you can put your URL prefix, which you'll be able to get later. You'll be able to put that into here so that a blank survey reloads after each time someone hits submit. And this is awesome for expos and trade shows because basically it's already preloaded back to the blank survey page. So that's a really, really good feature. Now here is the response email template. Every time that a client submits a survey, they're going to get a copy of their results as well. And that's a really handy tool because basically you can clarify their responses with them. So you've both got a copy of what they've said. We've put some example text in here that you can use, but it's all editable. So you can change it to whatever you like. So kind regards, this is really good to customize this to your business. Now, this is where we start the process for building the survey. So this banner image typically would again be your logo. So I'm going to rescale and I'm going to put our logo in to the top of the survey. Now you won't see this again until you preview your survey. And these are our default colors, but you're also going to get another chance to change these when we preview the survey as well. So now create survey and let's begin. So where we are now is in our survey builder tool. So this is where we're going to build the survey. And as it mentions, all survey elements are automatically saved. So I don't need to hit any save button. This is all saving as we go. So here you can see, I love send out a survey. This is the text that I put in as our title. And you can see here, welcome text. This will be a welcome paragraph that we'll type in soon. Survey body field and the thank you text field. So also what we have here is the toolbar and the different question types. So we have 4 question types. We have a single selection answer. So that means people can only press one answer. They can't choose more than one response. Multiple selection means the opposite. They can press multiple responses. Text input, so that's a basic word or 2 line, maybe a few words, and text input block. That basically means maybe for a comments or feedback field where you need people or want people to maybe type a few sentences or a sentence or a little bit more text. And there's our preview button. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put together a really simple basic screen of a survey and show you how quick it is to do. So welcome text, hi there, and welcome to our survey. Thank you. And just remember that all of these fields you can come back to and edit these at any time. So if you don't get it exactly right or what you want to do the first time, that's fine. You can customize this later. So thank you for filling out our survey. Now the survey body, what I'm going to do is add a single selection answer. So I click on the question and I drag it into the field. So you can see there it's just popped in. There's automatically 2 answers there. So edit question. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to add in my question. So what I'm going to write is I'm going to use our characters here. Who best describes how you would use send out a survey? Now, to add an image, click the add image field. Now I'm going to use our 3 characters here because they have really great ways that they use send out a survey. So I'm going to Just edit him. Done. There's his image appeared. So he uses surveys for general inquiries and competition entries. I'm going to add another one. I'll just add 2 of our characters. Kelly. So with Kelly, I'll just use the edit tool. So you can scroll to make your picture go smaller or bigger. So she uses it for pre-purchase questionnaires and expo surveys. There. So we've done one of our questions. Question number 2, multiple selection. So in this one, so we click and drag it again, pops down here. Now, just having a look at this builder, holding this tool, you can click and drag and re-edit your questions any way you want to. So you can reorder wherever you like the questions to go very easily. So how would you send out your surveys? I'm going to add some more images. Now this was just communication methods, social media. So you can send out your link via social media, which is great because a lot of people use social media on their phones. And that's the best way to view our surveys. Next one, SMS. Again, phones, fantastic. SMS is a brilliant way to send out a survey. And one more is email. Another fantastic way of sending out your URL link for people to fill out. So social media, SMS, and email. And again, people can choose more than one because we've used the multiple selection answer tool. Now, text input single line, that means it's just a simple answer. So, are there other ways you can use SOAS? Quicker way of writing send out a survey. And text input block. See, as you can see, much bigger field. Please let us know any feedback or suggestions you may have. So there you go. We've created our survey already. It's easy as that. So what we're going to do now, we're going to preview it. So as you can see, I love send out a survey. It's got our opening message there. We've got our questions, contact details come in automatically. So you can see that there. And also you can see how our colors change here. So you can see our heading color, I can change to red, blue, any color you want. So this is a really great tool because it means you can see it as it changes in the preview mode. Now, only in the preview function are you going to be able to see that. So don't get scared or worried if you can't see it once we close our survey. We'll keep the background color the same, or if you want it all white, there you go, changes to white. So we close the preview button, we're back to our builder. Now we're going to close it. So we go back to our survey. And now what you can see here is that it's actually closed. You can see an X here, but don't worry. All this means is we go into our settings field. We can just double check all your settings. And then what we're going to do is publish. So we publish our survey, update survey, and continue. And there you go, tick. This means our survey is now active. You can see how simple it is and quick it is to make your own survey. If you have any questions, please just get in contact with us and we'll be happy to help you. Thanks for watching. Bye.